Hi, we're Marissa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back. When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Woo! Did you have an attack?
I don't know. Oh! Exploring new places, attending all of the music festivals, and documenting love stories around the world is what we do. Why keep that a secret? Welcome to I Just Want to Travel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys so Wait, don't break that. Guys, this is our America the Beautiful pass.
They can't read it. No, I can read it.
Hi guys, thanks for coming to this vlog. We are going to the DCU Center to see Iron Maiden.
Sometimes it's a little strange in Worcester when it's foggy after dark. Fear of the dark. Fear of the dark. I have a constant fear something's always near. Fear of the dark. Someone's always there. We didn't want to have 3 years off. You didn't want to have 3 years out of your fucking lives, alright? So we can forget the last 3 years ever fucking happened, alright? Because it's like a bad fucking dream. Because all of that bad shit stops right here, right now, tonight, okay? We got people here from all over the world at a time when the world has gone fucking mad for various divided. We are Iron Maiden fans, alright? And we got people here from, where's that from? You're from El Salvador? Fuck me, you walked a long way. We got people from Poland, we got people from Germany, we got people from Brazil over there in the corner, right? Yeah, from Argentina as well. We got people from all over the fucking world. And let me see, who was born? Here you go, here's one for the gentlemen or the ladies or whatever of the press, alright? That say that the only people that ever like Iron Maiden are fucking old men with beer bellies, alright? So, just for the information of anybody that might be taking any kind of fucking interest at all, who has a birthday? Who was born after 1988?